Hi everyone, Adeyinka here. In our last video we created a new database, and I promised that in the next video we'll be creating a new table. Today we are going to walk through step by step how to use SQL or SQL to create a new table. Here we go. It's the day 5 of the Breaking into Tech challenge. We start by searching for SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio. It's loading. Okay, so the next thing is for us to connect to the SQL Server. And we click on Connect. We move to our Object Explorer. Thing is to locate databases. Click on the plus sign to expand. Then you can see photography there. It's our database. We want to create a table. In the photography database, we click on table, click on new, click on table. Then we have this interface. We have the column name. We choose our column name. The first column there, we want to use the identification number ID, while the second will be the photographer name, the camera model. Everything is in small letters, and we separate each word by underscore. We have the location, we have the date, we have the remark. Sorry, that should be remark here. Very good. First thing we do is to look at the allow nulls. We want to allow null for remark, but for others we don't want to allow null. That means we are going to click on allow null for remark, but for ID we are going to unclick the allow null. For photographer name we are going to unclick the allow null. For camera model we are going to unclick the allow null. For location we are going to unclick the allow null. For date we are going to unclick the allow null. So the only allow null that will be clicked upon is the remark. Coming to the data type, we want the ID to be integer. The photographer name, I will do a separate video to explain the data types. The photographer name will be varchar. Varchar can take anything that is English expression, up to 50 characters at the same time. You can reduce it if you like. Varchar, any form of English expression, you can use varchar data type for that. Then for the date, it's going to be the date data type. For remarks, since we are still speaking English language, the remark, we can still make use of our varchar. If we are going to start speaking things like German and every other thing, and varchar is the variable type for us to use. ID is going to be in form of numbers. We make use of integer. Then we are setting the ID as our primary key. Don't forget. I think that's a nice one there. Okay, so we have our table. We can close it if we like, but before closing it we save and we give it a name. I want to name my table tbl underscore vetme underscore photography underscore studio. Yeah, I think we are good to go. We can check to see. You can't see it, you refresh under table and you can see it's there already. That's our new table for that database, photography database. With this you should be able to draw a table at any time of your choice using SQL Server. That is how to create a table using SQL Server. Thank you. See you tomorrow.